Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the MAXDONE Laminator Machine. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open, you'll find your instruction manual. And it's laid out pretty nicely. Very well protected on the edges. And then of course you'll have a bunch of laminating sheets. Now, I'm pretty certain that this only comes with two options. You can kind of hot or heat laminate and cold laminate, and I believe they only provide the heat laminating sheets, not the cold laminating sheets, but that is an option for you to consider. Just be aware of that. And so you'll have the hot and cold switch right there. You'll also have kind of the layout on the sizes written right in there. And then, you know, you'll have your keep your hair away, keep kids away, keep metal away, and keep your tie away. And then, of course, ABS, I think this is going to just be your kind of slice at the end. And then you'll have, you know, this vent and your power. Now, this will also help you to kind of measure size-wise everything that you need. And then you'll have all kinds of laminating sheets that come with it in multiple sizes. So we'll go ahead and test this out and show you how it works. So the first thing you're going to do is get it plugged in, and then you're going to want to let it heat up for 2 to 3 minutes. So what that means is just turn it to hot. You should see your red light. You'll hear it heating up. Now, just to clarify, this ABS is actually for paper jams. You're just going to, in the event that you get a jam, you're just going to hit that slot and then pull the paper, of course making sure that it's off first. But we're going to let this heat up for 2 minutes and then come back. All right, so once you have your green light, you're going to find one of the pouches, and obviously what you want to do is make sure you open it up so that you can place in your document or whatever you want. I think it's always best to kind of get it really in accurately the exact way you want to do it. I'm going to close it up, and we're just going to feed it. Trying to get it towards the middle here, and try and not have it at an angle if at all possible, but then let it feed on its own. And there you go. And it's a little warm, so just make sure you turn it off after that. And then what you want to do is kind of just go ahead and use this to kind of slice off whatever you want to slice off, edgewise. Line it however you need to. And there we go, we get a nice little edge cut off, and the remainder is there. So to me, this thing's awesome. You can tighten it up as much as you want from there, but to me, it's really cool and very effective. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.